Hello and welcome back to Get Set Grow in the community allotments at RHS Garden Wisley. I'm Bhupinder and today I will guide you through continuing to successionally sow, top tips for harvesting and a look at courgettes and squash. Equipment that we need today. For successional sowing, string line, hoe, label and pencil and a watering can. For harvesting, a trug or a container, scissors or secateurs, and finally for courgettes and squashes, maxi crop or other plant food and a watering can. The plants we will use today are peas, beans, courgettes, broccoli and chard seeds. Every few weeks through summer, certain crops can be sown for a fresh supply. This includes rocket, lettuce, spinach and other leafy crops, as well as carrots, beetroots and peas. We sowed this rocket in March. It's gone to flower now, so we're going to pull it out and sow something else in its place. We're going to remove this rocket and sow chard seeds in its place. Take the plant at its base and pull it out, roots and all. Clear the soil and then just use the fork to level the soil. This time I'm going to make a drill to sow the seeds using a hoe and a string line. Push in the string line on one side, pull the string taut and push in the other side. Use the corner of the hoe to make an indent into the soil as deep as the seed packet recommends. These are Swiss chard seeds and I'm going to place one every 5 centimetres along the string line. Use your hands to cover the seeds. Label the crop at the end of the row and water in well. I'm going to give you a few top tips for harvesting your vegetables. When you harvest peas and beans, carefully detach them by holding the plant with one hand and the top of the pod with the other. This prevents you from damaging the plant's main stem. Peas should be harvested when the pods are full and the pea outline is visible. Runner and French beans should be harvested when the pods have lengthened, but before the bean outline is visible. When you harvest individual leaves of lettuce, chard, kale or spinach, remove the leaves without taking the centre ones. Remove the leaf by pulling in a sideways direction. Damaged leaves should be removed and composted. We are just starting our courgette harvest. Always use secateurs or a knife to harvest the courgettes. Always wear gloves to protect your hands. You must harvest them frequently or they will become marrows. When you harvest broccoli, calabrese or cauliflower heads, always use secateurs as we did for the courgettes. Leave broccoli and calabrese plants in the ground as they often send out more flower heads to harvest. Courgettes and squash, which include pumpkins, grow well when the weather is warm and there's moisture in the soil. If they become dry, powdery mildew will affect them and you will have a reduced crop. Later in the summer, mildew will always affect them. This is normal, but to reduce its effect, you can cut off the damaged leaves. It always affects older leaves first. They are also hungry plants, so make sure you fertilise them. Give them a quick boost by using a liquid fertiliser like maxi crop. Summer squashes, courgettes and marrows need to be harvested as soon as they are ready and eaten soon after. Winter squash, which include pumpkins, can be left to mature on the plant and can be harvested in autumn before the first frost. Today we have recapped successful sowing, looked at harvesting crops and growing squashes and courgettes. Next time, Letty will be checking on our onions and garlics for signs that they are ready to harvest, and sowing crops for autumn, winter and spring harvest. Thank you for watching and good luck with your plots.